Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing from Blendbunny Cosmetics, and I am about a week and a half too late on this, but I have been so busy. So if you all want to see the other blush palette and some more lip oils, and we're going to create a gorgeous eye look with both palettes and the lip oils, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. So guys, like I said, we're unboxing the Blendbunny Cosmetics Juicy Cheeks palette and some more lip oils. We're going to create a look. Sorry it's taken me a while, but I've been babysitting my grandkids, trying to get my house cleaned up where I was down. And it's taken a little bit of time because, you know, I don't move that fast anymore. I'm an old lady. So, we've got the... Oh, I only ordered one from the Juicy Cheeks lip oil, and then I ordered another one from the Bare Cheeks lip oil, and then we have the Juicy Cheeks palette. Oh! I've been dying to play in this, but I was not going to do it unless I do it with you guys. So, I was thinking of you. Now, Blendbunny Cosmetics launched these on April the 7th. And Blendbunny, Maggie sent me this one and two lip oils, which I keep the red one back beside of my bed and use it every night. Helps keep my lips nice and moist. But this was the Bare Cheeks palette. And this is the Juicy Cheeks palette. Oh, woo, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at all those bright colors, guys. Oh, I love that. Love, love, love. Yes. So, let's jump in to this tutorial and review. I'm telling you, Blendbunny is killing it. Everything she touches turns to gold. I love Blendbunny's formula. I love her eyeshadows. These blush palettes are so freaking pigmented and they last all day. Oh, and I got an orange lip oil. Let's try her on. Wait, let me see which one this one is too. I think this is the purple one. Well, that's so dark. Let's see. Smells the same as the others. I love these doe foot applicators. She did an amazing job. These are so cute. This is not purple. I think this is like a burgundy or grape. And they have like a minty smell. Oh, I like this one. Ooh, I like that a lot. These are so good. And I haven't really tried a bunch of lip oils, guys. I think this one's minty too. Let's smell the orange. Okay, so we have, she's got, I think, 6 lip oils. And then this gorgeous girl. Let me swatch this palette and then I'll be right back with you. So this is the first row. This is Tangy, Raw, Plump, and Sticky Sweet. That is so pretty. Then we have Squeeze, Pulp, Mouth Watering. That is so pretty. And then Ripe. That's so... Oh, I had to have both of these blush palettes because they were just too pretty. So, we have primed the lids with the Gerard Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. This is my Ride or Die, and it is good for mature lids. Okay, I do think I want to go in with this Making Me Blush out of the Bare Cheeks. I'm going to go in with this color right here. I'm going to tap this into the crease. And we're just going to blend that in just a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to dip into just a touch out of the Bare Cheeks palette just to help blend this color out just a little bit. Going to get just a little bit on our Rose and Ben, and we're going to go right above it and just tap it in. Okay, now I want to go into, there's a watermelon color in this Bare Cheeks, but I want to work out of this Juicy Cheeks. So I think I'm going to go into, I'm going to take Squeeze, this yellow, and we're going to add just a little bit right above the outside right here. And we are going to cut the crease, I think, today. Now I'm going to go into Ripe, this darkest color, and we'll probably use this color to blend it out. So we're going to go into Ripe. We're going to take that in the outer third. We're just blending that color in. Now I want to go into Mouth Watering, this one right here, and we will probably blend out with that one. I'm just going to dip a little bit into Plump, that pink, and we're just going to tap it around. And we will probably add a little bit more purple into the outer third once we get everything blended in and ready. Now I'm going to add more purple back into the outside of this look. I'm going to cut the crease. And I'm just going to use my white ABH just a little bit. Oh, I want to go in with this melon color. And I'm just going to use my finger. And I'm just going through and touching up my other colors. Now that I have this cut crease down. Oh, these bright colors, I love them. I'm gonna go in with this little Refer 2, I think, yeah. With that melon color and just touch right here where it needs a little bit of color. Well, that's not a melon. Yeah, that is a melon color. I love this gradient right here. And I may do a liner above the waterline or cut crease. Now I'm gonna go over and finish. I know it looks messy, guys, just trust the process. I'm gonna go over and finish this other eye, and I'll clean up and be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. So for the lashes, I wanted to do something like extravagant. I haven't done like a look like that in a while. So I did put some glitter liner right here in my cut crease. I also put on the Lashes Darling by Blendbunny Cosmetics. And I went in with my ColourPop Piggyback, I think it's Piggyback. Yes, the ColourPop Piggyback purple liner. Now I'm going in with a lash definer brush, and I'm dipping into this purple right here. And we are going to go right up against that lash line with this purple. We're going to get it really dark. I already had to clean this one up because I got mascara on it. Now that I have that purple down, I want to take this brush right here and go into that color right there, which is this raw color. And I'm going to turn it upside down, and we're just going to blend that out just a little bit. We're not putting a whole lot of that color, but we're going to blend that purple out with that. So it'll kind of match the top. Now I'm going to finish up with the Huda mascara, and I'm going in with the, this side. Right. This, I am so, I mean, I'm not stunned. These are perfect. But these are so nice, guys. These blush palettes, man, she really did a good job. Great job, Maggie. I love your brand. Now, I just cleaned this off, and I'm just going to go under it with the clean brush. Just kind of get all that off. I'm going to put some blush on my cheeks, and I want to stick with the color story that's going on my face right now. So I'm going to take this color with this color and this color. I'm going to do all three. So we're going in with this bright pink. And we're just going to, whatever's on the brush, we're going to blend it in while we have the brush on the face. Now, other side. Light purple. We don't want like super. Oh, that's a nice color, that lilac. Ooh, sticky sweet. I love that. So we've got pink and purple blush on the cheeks. I might dip in a little bit to that melon. Just a little bit to go around the sides. Now I'm going to go in with a clean brush and just tap, 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 tap. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of my pink powder, my Slay the Bake blurring powder from Gerard Cosmetics. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my Huda Puff. And we're going to go under the eye and brighten this just a little bit more. I already did it once, but after all the makeup and stuff, it probably has wore down a little bit. And I'm going to go in with a fun lip that I've never wore before. And I did use the Blendbunny Cosmetics eyeliner today and the brush. I love her eyeliner and her brushes. Oh, she's so good. Okay, see how that brightened up the under eye? Today I'm wearing my e.l.f. Halo Glow products plus the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin number 3. And I haven't never tried this one. It's the Strawberry Fields lipstick, Hydromatte lipstick. I think it will look good. So this is the lipstick. Very pretty. And I'm going to go in with this lip pencil, and it is by Cab, K-A-B. That matches pretty good. I think I got this in Ipsy. Now I'm just going to go around with a lip brush and blend this in. Now we're going to go on with this lip. This is so pretty. Woo, that bright. Love, 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 love. Is this not a gorgeous color? I love it. And that is called Strawberry Fields Hydromatte Lipstick. I love that. Let's go in with the orange since we can. So. Ooh, that tastes good. I love it. Let me know, guys, what you think about this. Did you pick up either of the blush palettes? Because, guys, these are so pretty. I will not need any blush for a long time. I have lots of blush now. Thanks to Blendbunny for making these beautiful palettes. I just love them. I think the blushes are so pretty. We have a more warm tone here and a cool tone here. I just love this. You can use them as eyeshadows, and I'll be honest with you, if I go on a trip this summer, these are the only 2 palettes I'm bringing with me. I'm not bringing any eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to use these for blush and eyeshadow. Please go check out Blendbunny Cosmetics and get you a lip oil and a blush palette, an eyeshadow palette. She takes Afterpay, and you can save 10% with my code BelindaMua at Blendbunny Cosmetics. And if you like anything from Gerard Cosmetics that I use, Strawberry Fields or the Clean Canvas or the blurring powder, then please go check out Gerard Cosmetics. I will leave the links down in the description where you can go shop. And as always, I appreciate anyone that uses my code with Gerard. That does help me here on my YouTube channel. And please go check out Blendbunny. Her stuff speaks for itself, guys. I would not try to sell anybody anything that was no good and not worth the money. These are both indie brands. I've been with Gerard for a few years now, and I've been with Blendbunny for 2 years now, or a year and a half now, and I just love all their products. The quality is, the proof is in the pudding, people. So let me know if you like this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman, then please hit subscribe, ring the bell, and we will see you in the next one. And if there is anything that you would like to see from moi, then please leave it in the comments and I will do some videos for you. So guys, stay blessed and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.